Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use the Sound Equalizer on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So apparently there is no equalizer that is built inside this smartphone. So if you want to use the EQ for listening to music or something, then you need to download a third-party app. So let's go to the Play Store and then let's download this app. We need to type equalizer and then we can use, for instance, this one. Press install. Now let's wait a couple of seconds to let the device download and install the app, and once it is done, you want to press open. Now, over here we need to press I understand. Over here we can tap this cross in the top left corner. Now go next and finish. Of course you might see some ads, so let's wait a couple of seconds and then let's close them. And this is our equalizer. We can press on this slider here in order to enable the equalizer, and you might get those notifications requests which I don't think you want to allow, so press don't allow. And now we can move the equalizer around. We can adjust the EQ like so, how we want. And in addition to that, we also have the bass boost. Once again, keep in mind that these notification alerts will pop up quite often. So we can enable and disable bass boost over here, and we can move this circle in order to increase the bass boost. We also have loudness, which we can increase, and the virtualizer as well. If we go down a little bit, we also have the volume slider, which is pretty much working together with the volume that we have in our device. So if I change the volume with the volume button over here, then as you can see, it also changes in the app. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.